Hello class, this is Mr. Lucero and we are going to continue with our activities. Today we're going to work on page 84. Okay, on this page we have vocabulary number 2 about banking. And also we have two pictures. Okay, remember the topic is banking. Number 1 and number 2. What can you see on picture number 1? Remember, this time is for guessing, all answers are correct. Yeah, there is a girl. Okay, and what is the girl? Is she in the bank? Maybe, but not inside, outside. Yeah. Using a credit card. Perfect. And where can people use credit cards? You know in Spanish, but not in English. Okay, in English it's called automatic teller machine or ATM. Okay, number 2. What can you see in picture number 2? There is a boy, there is a girl. Perfect. Are they in the bank? I suppose, no? Because the topic is about banking. Now, this is an automatic teller machine. And this girl in the bank is called a teller. Okay? A teller. Now let's see. Match pictures 1 and 2 with the words below. Items can have more than one match. Use your dictionary if necessary. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We have account, ATM, deposit, pin, teller, transaction. We have transfer and withdrawal. Okay, let's see. I repeat, withdrawal. Now, do you know what's the meaning of them? Account, we saw account a class ago. Cuenta, very good. ATM, I told you at the beginning, no? Automatic teller machine. Okay. Okay, let's continue. What about okay, the next one is deposit. No, that is very easy. That is very easy. What about pin? It's like when you have your credit card, you go to the automatic teller machine and you need to write your pin or password. Some people say password, no? That's very good. Let's continue with teller. I told you teller. Transaction. Okay. Transfer, no? Transfer, transaction are similar to Spanish. And the last one, withdrawal. Act of taking back a previous position. Could be. Could be. No, maybe when you get something from the bank and you put it back. Okay. Now let's see. If I say account, no, I'm sorry. Yes, if it's account, could be for picture number 1 or picture number 2. Note that the example says both, not both. ATM, only number 1. Deposit. No, you can see that in Cañete, in some banks, you can get money and you can put money. So both, not deposit. Pin for number 1. But I know when you go to any bank in Cañete and you have your credit card, the teller said, "You have a credit card?" Yes, of course. Here you are, okay? Write your PIN or put your PIN, no? That is used in both. Okay. Teller, number 2. Transaction, number 1, number 2. Transfer, number 1, number 2. And withdrawal, number 1 and number 2. Okay, you have the first one. Number 2 says match A to H with 1 to 8 to make phrases related with banking. For example, okay, there is an example. Number 3 is a number account or PIN. Number account or number PIN. Let's continue with check. Check. For example, check is with number 5, the balance of the bank statements. For example, credit or debit card, credit card or debit card, no tarjeta de crédito or débito. For example, number 4 is make, no, make a deposit, make a transaction, make a transfer, or make a withdrawal. Let's continue with open or close. Open a saving, close a saving, open checking, close checking, open bank account or close bank account. No, take out a loan. Take out a loan is like a préstamo. A loan is a préstamo. Okay, take out a loan. Talk to. Talk to a teller or a bank manager. No, for example, when you go to get some money, you go to the teller. Or maybe you have some problems or you have some doubt, you can call a bank manager. Use the last one. Use the ATM or online banking. Okay, class, you have the answers. Now let's continue. Complete the sentences with phrases from activity 2. Okay, we're going to work with activity number 2, this part. Okay, these phrases. For example, I need to put out some money, but I can't remember my Okay, I need to use an ATM to pull out some money, but I can't remember my PIN number. Okay, letter B, good morning. I like to. Please, if she's available because I want to open a new restaurant. Okay, let's see. To talk to the bank manager. Okay. Because, no, please, if she's available because I want to take out a loan to open a restaurant, no, a new restaurant. Perfect. Letter C. So you'd like to of $200 from your checking account to your saving account. Is that correct? Make a transfer. Perfect. Make a transfer. Very good. Excellent. This is our vocabulary. No? Now let's see. This part is for from our vocabulary. So practice because we're going to do it in class. See you in a different video.